Thanks for completing your SellMac trade-in. You are almost done. SellMac is Teckable's buyback engine, built to make Apple trade-in simple, secure, and transparent. First, sign out of your Apple account, also known as iCloud. On a Mac, open System Settings, click your name, then choose Sign Out. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name at the top, then scroll down and choose Sign Out. Next, make sure Find My is turned off. Turning off Find My is important. If it's still active, your device may remain locked and delay your payment. Disable it before shipping to help us process your trade-in faster. Before shipping, make sure there is no MDM or other firmware locks. If possible, factory reset your device before shipping it. On newer Macs, go to System Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset, and choose Erase All Content and Settings. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Now, pack your device carefully. Use a sturdy box and at least 4 inches of padding on every side of the device. Bubble wrap, foam, or packing paper all work well. The device should not move around inside the box. Do not ship the device loose in a box. Do not use a thin envelope or soft mailer. Proper packaging helps prevent shipping damage and delays. Once your device is packed, attach the prepaid shipping label to the outside of the box. Remove or cover any old labels or barcodes. Drop the package off with the correct shipping carrier shown on your label, and keep your drop-off receipt until your trade-in is complete. The receipt is your proof that the package was dropped off with the carrier. If you have questions before shipping, contact SellMac support before sending your device. We can help with questions about Find My, resetting your device, packing, or shipping. Once we receive your device, our team will inspect it and continue processing your payment. Thanks again for choosing SellMac. We appreciate your business and the trust you've placed in us. We'll handle your device securely, value it honestly, and make sure its next chapter matters.